Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's January 17th, beginning of the week. Even though we are in the middle of the winter, the week is definitely gonna be hot. Inflation reports ahead. We have UK, Europe, and Canada this week. It's gonna be very interesting and volatile. So let's take a look what's going on the calendar over the weekend. Actually, nothing much on the news, but we are starting with Martin Luther King's Day today. This is holiday for US, so we can see the markets a little bit slower with lower volatility. I'm not gonna be surprised, but on the other side, Chinese industrial production is going up. It shows growth this morning, which you know what's going on in China right now. There are problems, which is a good sign because the gross domestic product also is going up for the last quarter. The earning season following this topic is coming in US. The biggest companies in the world are simply reporting their earning reports for the last quarter. Is going to be very interesting because this is the beginning of the year anyway. So they are going to be very intensive towards their interest rates. The traders are gonna get crazy about trading on the market. The most active time is the earning season on the New York Stock Exchange. Tuesday, tomorrow, we have Clement count change in UK, 7 a.m. GMT, German economic sentiment, which are not super volatile events, 10 a.m. for the euro. And this is what how we're gonna finish Tuesday. Wednesday is the party has started. So what's going on? 7 a.m. GMT CPI inflation report for UK. Just quick reminder about the US one, went from 6.8% to 7%, the highest inflation in US since the last 40 years. So I'm not going to be surprised to see the rest of the countries the following, like UK, Canada, like European countries as well. So Wednesday we have 7 a.m. inflation report. According to forecast, we can see the inflation going up. After that, 1:30 p.m. GMT, we have the inflation report for Canada, and that's it for Wednesday. Two very, very important events. Thursday, we have Eurozone in inflation report on yearly basis, of course, 10 a.m. GMT, followed by the initial jobless claims 1:30 p.m. GMT, existing home sales 3 p.m. for US and 4 p.m. our lovely crude oil. Crude oil is not stopping pushing up, which is absolutely amazing for those who actually bought barrels of crude oil. Friday we have retail sales 6 a.m. GMT and core retail sales 1:30 for Canada. Let's jump directly to the chart, guys, because this is something that's very important. The majors started pushing up, as you can see in front of you is the euro US dollar breaking out the resistance we've been talking about so many times. Small upside push and a slight correction in order almost to test the miners resistance, which is already support. I didn't put level here because of reason, because it's not pretty significant for now. I'm gonna follow how the market is gonna react around 1.1524 or 1.13 if we decide, if the price decide to go even further down to test the support one more time. GBP USD completely ignoring any corrections, just pushing up on almost the daily basis, reaching 1.37 round number, absolutely obvious level. From here we can see correction to 1.36, even slightly further down, but this is very strong support level. And I'm not gonna be surprised to see the GBP testing the support. But GBP, guys, if you have bought the GBP, then you're very, very happy. Australian USD, not the most clear chart, even though respecting the levels very nicely. 0.7288 is testing the resistance. Huge correction for just today, 90-95 pips is a decent correction definitely, in heading to test the support 0.7170. Nothing much for now. It's a middle of it's in the middle of the boundaries between the support and the resistance. For now I'm gonna wait to see how the Australian is going to behave, but definitely we're gonna have a very good opportunities. New Zealand US dollar is quite similar to the Australian. as usual. But here we're testing the support level 0.6804, 0.68 round number, very, very clear level to enter by trades. USD Canadian jumping directly to the crude oil, guys. That's unbelievable. $85 almost per barrel with no decent correction. Be very, very careful. It can break out and go to 90 even, but still to buy on the top is definitely not good idea. For those who are planning to buy crude oil, just be a little bit patient. But I am definitely remaining bullish on the crude, but absolutely not now. And this is reflecting immediately on the USD Canadian chart, pushing down. You know the correlation between the Canadian dollar and the crude oil. No point to repeat it one more time. Slight correction to the upside. Any correction to the upside is possible in the USD Canadian once the crude oil starts its correction. So that's why I'll be very careful by taking sell trades from now of the USD Swiss. Make a good reversal level, and I think you can extract very nice profit out of it. USD Swiss is kind of messed the last couple of months. If you take a look, there is no pretty clear trend, even though I'm hunting for bearish trades on the USD Swiss. Right now tested the support 0.91. These days the forex market is super clear and it's trying to bounce back, I think, in order to test the 0.92. So it's not a must to go up to this resistance level, but of course I'm just going to be patient to see how the market's going to react. We have enough events this week, so it's going to be interesting. And our lovely USD Japanese yen, a huge drop from the top, 260 pips, in order to test and obviously the very clear support level 113.57. We put that support level long time back, and so this is what's happening. Quick bounce from the support, and obviously this is why I love these levels, just because simply bouncing back and testing the resistance. Careful, because this can bring us very, very good short opportunities. I've been waiting to start shorting USD Japanese for quite some time, just that the market doesn't give me this chance, but I think we're getting closer to that moment. US indices, by the way, are also under pressure with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is $42,000. I told you weeks ago to be very careful by buying the dips. The most popular sentence these days. Be careful by buying the dips, guys, especially when it comes to crypto, because when crypto drops, it drops heavily. So just be very careful. US indices are still very, very stable, but also be very careful by taking huge buy trades. And this is it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to get yourself updated all the time with the newest videos. Monday, Wednesday, I'm posting videos, guys. Oh, also share us and like us on the social medias. This is how you support our channel. I'm gonna appreciate it, definitely. Expect my new video on Wednesday, and good luck. Bye.